Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Hi Shoebox friends. With the 4th of July here, I thought it'd be fun to make a simple red, white, and blue superhero themed filler for boys ages 5 to 9. This is just a small project, but little fillers like these can make a big difference when it comes to creating a fun and encouraging shoebox. If you enjoy these videos, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps more shoebox packers discover these ideas and encourages more people to share the love of Jesus with children around the world. Okay, let me go ahead and show you what I've been working on. Okay, so I have one of these packs already put together. I will go ahead and show you what I'm going to be putting in each one. I'm going to be using these bags that measure 9 inches by 12 inches. And I'm going to be folding these up, these bags. Some of them are Superman and Captain America. And I'll be folding them into a square. Then they will also be getting a pair of socks, Superman socks. I thought that was so cool. And that's why this filler is for boys ages 5 to 9, is because that's the size these socks will fit. They will be getting a car, a red, white, or blue car. A cross necklace, a Spider-Man action hero, and a card game, either Uno Go or just a regular deck of playing cards because I ran out of the Uno. They will be getting a little superhero plush, a tiny set of Legos that I got on clearance at Walmart, a toothbrush, and one of these festive flower lays. And then in the front, the label says boy 5 to 9, and these labels are available on sweetteadaily.com if you're interested. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get busy and put these packs together, and I'll be right back. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a very happy and safe 4th of July holiday. And may God bless you in your shoebox ministry. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.